The last step in a commercial roofing project is to issue a warranty, but chances are you don't really know what is covered under that warranty.
Today I will be explaining to you different types of roof warranties and what goes into them. My name is Ryan Maines. I am a sales technical support at West Roofing Systems. So when someone gets a roof warranty, it's based on what type of roof they have that goes on. We, West Roofing Systems, have a contractor's warranty. There are also manufacturer's warranties that we do provide, depending what type of system or what type of coating they go on their roof. So our contractor's warranty to you would be any repairs that may be needed. If it's a full system or material, depending which one it is, we are responsible for that. So if it's a material contractor's warranty, we will provide the cost for the material that is needed, whether it's coating, flashings, as well as the labor that's included in the job, obviously for the amount of time that the warranty is in use. And it basically comes off the customer's hand at that point. We are responsible for it. So a manufacturer's material warranty would be whatever type of coating or system we may put on a roof. The manufacturer that we used at that time will provide the materials. However, the labor will come out of the contractor, which us, West Roofing, would be. So depending how that goes, the material is covered from the provider at that time. The full system warranty, whether or not it's a manufacturer or contractors, you as a customer are completely covered for that amount of time of the warranty. That includes all material and labor. What comes with that is also inspections, routine maintenance, just to make sure that everything on the roof is in good standing, there's no leaks that are occurring or things that need to be touched up. It really comes down to the customer's preference. We prefer, and I think we all could agree, that getting a warranty is best for all parties. Just so you know that everything's being covered. It really comes down to whether or not they feel the need for one. But definitely having one is a safe keep. It is important for the longevity of your roof as well. If it's a SPF roof with a certain silicone coating, the guys do it based on how much millage or the square foot of the roof. It isn't always the case. Like I said, the guys do give options. If they would like to increase their warranty, if it's a 10, they want to go to a 15, they can add so many millages to it to get a longer warranty on their roofs. Once your warranty does expire, some people don't necessarily know that it is expiring or expired. Our sales guys do a great job of getting out there and trying to remind people to have us come out and take a look. If it's right after the warranty's ended, it may not need any, which is fine, but it's still good to have us out there just to check, to make sure that there's nothing major that may be needed, because especially if they haven't had leaks for a long time, they're probably going to assume that their roof's still in good condition. But it is important to get a rep out there just to make sure everything is still functioning correctly.
For more information, you can read the full article on our website. And to learn more about what to do when your roof warranty expires, you can find the link to the full video in the description below.